central Gem County, southeastern Washington County, northeastern Malvern County until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:09 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near BOI, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour, gusts at quarter-size. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When safe to do so, please receive storm reports to the National Weather Service. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Payette, Weiser, Fruitland, Haddock Valley Reservoir, Presley Bridge, French Quarter, and Crane Creek Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When safe to do so, please relay storm reports to the National Weather Service in Boise via local law enforcement or National Weather Service Boise Facebook and Twitter accounts. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho, Gem, Payette, and Washington, and Malvern, Oregon. The National Weather Service in Boise has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Twin Falls County, Eastern Milwaukee County, until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Roseworth, 427 miles west of Twin Falls, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cass Leopard around 3:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Hollister around 3:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Twin Falls and Magic Valley Regional Airport around 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. When safe to do so, please relay storm reports to the National Weather Service in Boise via local law enforcement or National Weather Service Boise Facebook and Twitter accounts. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Hawaii, Idaho. p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kuna, 412 miles southeast of Napa, moving east at 50 miles per hour. In Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kuna, 412 miles southeast of Napa, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entry. Source, radar indicated. Severe thunderstorm will be there. Hail damage Boise around 4:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Expect wind damage to Black Creek Reservoir and Lucky Peak Dam and Lucky Peak Reservoir around 4:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Around 4:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Lucky Peak Dam and Lucky Peak Reservoir around 4:20 on the lowest floor of the building will be near. Boise State around 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. For your protection, carry a room on the lowest floor of the building 14 miles from the nearest reservoir. Get away from the water thunder. You are close to lightning. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and daily to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Twitter account on the water in the thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm warning is occurring until 4:45 p.m. Do not drive your Idaho through flooded roadways and Elmore. When safe to do so, please relay storm reports to the National Weather Service in Boise via local law enforcement. National Weather Service Boise Facebook and Twitter accounts for. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was... Boise has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Ada County, Central Elmore County, until 5:30 p.m. The vehicle is expected. At 4:45 p.m. The thunderstorm will be near. Severe thunderstorm was located over Mountain Daylight Time for 18 miles south of Boise, east at 35 miles per hour for around 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. For your protection, please join us here on the lowest floor of the building. Get away from the water and move indoors for inside a vehicle after around 5 p.m. The lightning will strike out to 15 miles from the outside the storm. And near thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. For your protection, safe shelter area room on the lowest floor of the building. The water in the thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. Do not drive your vehicle with flooded roadways to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Warning has been issued to the following counties. When safe to do so, please relay storm report. For National Weather Service Boise Facebook and Twitter accounts. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning issued until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, 4:45 p.m.
I can't keep going. The next letter.
Moving 35 miles per hour. Hazard. Thunderstorm. County, southeastern Elmore County, eastern Hawaii County, southern Gooding County, until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Denman Flat, or 9 miles south of Glens Ferry, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Twin Falls County is north 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, no damage to vehicles is expected.
Nighttime, a severe thunderstorm was located over Denman Flat, or 9 miles south of Glens Ferry. Vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries, This severe thunderstorm will be near 20 miles around 5:40 p.m. Daylight time expected.
Mountain Daylight Time. Wind around 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Taking around 6 p.m. Recent storm reports to the Metro Idaho service employees here on the long severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for the following counties. Service in Boise has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Elmore County, Western County, until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dancing Peak, or 14 miles north of Mountain Home, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, fire reports of 1 inch hail. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Anderson Dam and Bennett Mountain around 5:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Cat Creek Summit, Little Camas Reservoir, and Anderson Ranch Reservoir around 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Pier 7 Mountain around 6:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. For your protection, room to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Anderson Dam, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from a parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When safe to do so, please relay storm reports to the National Weather Service in Boise via local law enforcement or National Weather Service Boise Facebook and Twitter accounts. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Elmore, Idaho.
COVID has changed the way people worship. A recent study